think anything could be worse than, in my opinion, the Slut Box and the Trisha Paytas subscription box. But we have a winner here. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. I don't even know how to start this subscription. I did not think anything could be worse than, in my opinion, the Slut Box and the Trisha Paytas subscription box. But we have a winner here. So if you want to see what subscription I think, in my opinion, is one of the worst subscription boxes out there, and see what's in here, then just stay tuned. Alrighty, so I had canceled some subscriptions. Things that I was getting in PR, I contacted people and said, thank you so much, but, I just told them that I didn't want to get it anymore. And so I was on Cratejoy looking up different subscriptions. And I found one, and this is called the Blend Box. Okay? So I looked up a few things about it. The first thing, when you go to Cratejoy, it says $16.88 a month. I'm like, okay, let me look into it. But that is not how much it is. Let me show you. And then I have text messages from this company, and I'll get more into that later. But if you look at it, I don't know what you can see because of my lighting situation. If you do month to month, it is $26.88. If you do 3 months, paid every 3 months, it's $24.89. If you pay for 6 months, it's $22.48. And if you pay for 12 months at a time, that's when it is $16.66. So I usually do 3 months at a time, but I was like, you know what? Let me just try it for a month and see what it's like. So this box right here that I paid for is $26.88. So this is more than BoxyCharm. This is more than Ipsy Plus. So, okay. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. So when you go on there, it looked really nice. It says there's 25 different themes, which would you like? So when you order through Cratejoy, when you hit it and you pay for it, you tell them like what themes that you liked. And I put beauty. I wanted a beauty. They had from like Halloween, skull one, like the sugar skull, beach themes, galaxy themes, all these themes. I'm like, well, that doesn't interest me. I want beauty. So I put beauty. Then it asks you for your phone number, just in case they need to ask you a question or anything like that. And I give them my phone number because I thought, well, it's through Cratejoy. So if there's any issues, I can go through Cratejoy and, whatever. So when I order, I never tell them that I do YouTube. Never give them my link. Never, because I want to get a box that they would send to everybody else. I don't want to promote something that I get really good and you guys are expecting the same thing and you don't get it. So they text me. It was very soon. Like I paid for it and maybe the next day or the day after, within 2 days, they text me and I was like, oh, okay. I will probably, when I put it up here, block their phone number. But what I'll do is put it on the screen here so you guys can read it with me. So they go, Anne, ? This was November 4th, Monday, November 4th. I wanted to ship your beauty box subscription, but you didn't fill out your account. It asked you to select your future boxes after beauty, and you skipped that. There are 25 box themes. You can look at and they give me the website. And text me back with your future box preferences. If you are unsure how it works, just read the website. I'll ship when I hear back from you. Please respond. So I was in the shower and doing different things, and then I finally see this, and I'm like, I got a little confused because at first I thought they just wanted to know what theme do you want, and I want beauty theme. So that was at 11:36 a.m. I didn't say it yet. So at 1:03 p.m. the same day, they said again, please respond. So I said, I like the beauty theme. And they put, yes, I know. Please scroll up and check out what I've written. I'm like, okay. So I read it again. And it says, you'll get beauty first because you requested it first. but you didn't answer the next question on your profile, which I did not see any more questions on that, but okay. So I go, oh, okay, I always want beauty, because I'm still not understanding. They says, if you are not sure how it works, it seems like you aren't, go to the, and they put the website. And I said, no, I'm not sure. I'm confused. Let me check. So I go on the site that they had. It's a little different than Cratejoy. And then I understood what they meant. Like, you know, you don't always get beauty. If you pick beauty every month, you get the same exact box every month. They don't do different beauty boxes. So it's kind of weird because if Halloween passed, why would I want a Halloween box? And how do they know if I just got the one box? I'm thinking to myself, how do they know that I won't cancel? How do they know I want future boxes? And they had said in there, they're not going to ship this until I give them more things that I like, which I thought was odd, right? Because I may not like the box and cancel it, but okay. And they said, just read it and then tell me at least 4 or 5 future boxes here via text. And if you could tell me 2 of your favorite colors in general in life. This is not a makeup question. It's just 2 favorite colors in general in life. So I didn't know what to put. I just picked a whole bunch of stuff that was on there and I said, I like kitchen, beach, galaxy, and beauty. My 2 favorite colors are turquoise and black. And they said, perfect. And then later that night, I don't know if it was that night or the next morning, I got an email stating that my package had been shipped. I just thought it was a little weird. They weren't going to ship my thing until, but whatever. But I'm still giving them the benefit of the doubt. So when I got this, it's very, very light. I mean, it feels just like it's just the box and nothing inside. And when you shake it, it doesn't feel like a lot. So I did open it because I'm like, no. And I cut out like my address and stuff. So let's now get to the unboxing and see what is inside this for $26. All right. So that's how it looks. You have this and it has that. And this says on here that they wrote, please read. So it says, welcome, I'm Nick, the creator of Blend Box. I pack and ship each box personally. Each box is unique to the recipient. I can never pronounce that freaking word. I'll leave it right here. And I thought, well, if it's each box is different, then why does it matter if I just want beauty every month? Why do I have to pick different themes? But okay. For instance, no 2 Galaxy boxes will have identical products. So I'm thinking if I pick beauty, I wouldn't get identical. I don't know. Let me just keep reading. You'll receive a new box theme from your pre-approved list each month. Most of your products come unpackaged to replica plastic waste and to fit more items in the box. Remember what they're saying. While you'll always receive a guaranteed 8 items per box, 8 items, there are so many ways to earn bonus items each month. I highly recommend joining our Facebook page, Blend Box Club. Just joining the page will earn you a bonus item in your next box. Customers that interact on Facebook page have the opportunity to customize their boxes and win more bonus items. Share a photo of your favorite item from each box to collect a monthly bonus items. So I'm guessing if you interact more, I mean, you can get a bunch of bonus things. All right. So that's what that says. It comes like this. And then that's what it looks like. So the first thing I notice you get, a little sample thing. This is from Tony Moly, Banana Hand Milk. This is definitely a sample, a free sample. Definitely. I used to get these when I used to get the Balmy box and stuff. Okay. Then we got 1 pair of socks. And I'm not just, this is a $26 box. This is something, I didn't open any of these up, that you would get like literally from the dollar store. Oh, it's not socks. I thought it was. So it's a headband, but a cheaply, like a little headband. Because I get these headbands from Amazon. I pay a few dollars, but this is something that really would be at the dollar store. Okay. So we have a headband, which I will use this because I use these when I put my makeup on. Okay, we have a glove here. This, I thought this was a set of gloves, but it's not. This is maybe like a scrubbing, you know, exfoliant glove. I don't know. It's not in a bag. But this is in a bag. It's plastic, but this is not. And you have one glove. When you get these exfoliant gloves, you usually get 2 in a bag, but you get 1 glove. Then we have a little It Cosmetics brow thing in Universal Taupe. We have got these samples before. We get these in subscription boxes. It's not full size. It's $26. Then we have 1 mask. These, I'm telling you, look like from Balmy Box or like a subscription box, honestly. Or you can get Amazon. You can get a whole bunch for like $8, you know, a whole bunch of them. This is Moisture and Soothing. This is a cucumber mask. So 1 mask. We have these little bitty tweezers. It's in plastic, but remember they're saying that a lot of things won't come in plastic. That's why this isn't. Okay. So let's open this up, because when I show you these tweezers, okay, so let's take this off. I mean, these are so cheap. Like, look how easy I was able to bend that. And it bend right back. So you can see, these are not, I mean, they're so little. Like, I couldn't use these. So we have that. And we have this thing. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Maybe a candle. I really don't know. So this must be a balm, because it doesn't tell you what everything is. I guess because everybody gets different things, where they get everything so cheap and just throw it in the box. So this is like a balm that you'd probably put on your lips or something. Does it say? No, everything is written in, I don't know if it's Korean or what. So you can tell this is from Amazon. It's like, you know, overseas stuff. And last but not least, we have magnetic lashes. These are Bonnie Choice. And the box is all messed up, but, you know, let's see. That can't be right. Okay. I was looking, it looked like it was just 3 lashes, but I don't know what the hell that is. Let's open this up. That's what it is. It's what's in here. Okay. So like these lashes are all bad. I don't wear lashes, but even if I did, they're all messed up. So you do have 4 lashes. Okay. So let's go over what we got for $26. Even if you got a 3-month, it's still 24 something, 25 bucks. So you have these. These are very, very cheap. I'm telling you, like, you could pull them apart and break. And I wouldn't wear this stuff. I don't wear lashes anyway. But if you can see, they're all bent anyway. So, okay. So we have that. We have this balm thingy. We have 1 sheet mask, 1 glove, a headband, and we have a very sample size. All this came from subscription boxes. I mean, you might have been able to, I don't know. I thought the Trisha Paytas was bad for 60 bucks. This is probably worse. I don't know what to say. But that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think of this subscription box. Have you ever heard of the blend box? Let me know. Do you think I'm overreacting? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Like this video or dislike it, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter to me because I already canceled this box. So let me know what you think, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. Don't forget to subscribe. I do have a giveaway going on right now, and it is the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection. Well, the eyeshadow palettes. I will leave that link down below. Turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.